I don't know what you said the trend was, or even if you talked about the trend, but have a look-see. That looks a little bearish to me, right? Because we're supposed to use this for the bounce up, or this for the bounce up, or this for the bounce up.
Mhm.
So it looks damn bearish to me. Here's our last support that broke to the downside earlier. And this is why it went up to use this micro peak here for the bounce up to retest that. So I'm not Nostradamus. I don't know if it's going to use this second peak here for the bounce up or if it's going to continue bearish. But it already used the first micro peak. Here's our second one, which is the neck of this double bottom. But if it's going to continue bearish, it's going to go down, 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 and even further down. But we'll have to wait and see how the market reacts around this playground here. Obviously, we're bullish in the long term, but for our playground, it's bearish as of now. Has a long way to go to climb up. But we'll see how it uses these little micro peaks. Here's one too. But I would prefer a deeper pullback just because we are bearish. So I'd prefer it to come back down to here and see if it can use the bounce to go up. That's my short little analysis. What do you all say?